Hey folks, Farmer Joe here, coming at you fresh from the field. Here we are in the Seedlings tunnel. These are some amazing mixed greens packs that we're already selling at the farm store for your garden, because lo and behold, you can actually be planting cold tolerant greens at this time of year, as long as you've got row cover to protect them on those cold nights, and which we also have for sale at the farm store. So we've got a new system this year. It's called the Seedlings Market Membership. It's like a gift card that you sign up for, and you get 10% extra seedlings, or if you're a CSA member, you get 15% extra. So if you've got a large garden and you're going to be buying a lot of seedlings, it's worth it to pick one up. It'll be in the newsletter and it's on the website, ottawafarmfresh.com. You can pick it up. Basically it's a gift card. It's a QR code that you get, and you sign up in advance, and we grow your seedlings, and then you get to come in and pick what you want and use your QR code at checkout, and you get either 10% extra, or if you're a CSA member, 15% extra. So head on over to the website and sign up now.